Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about world around us in social science. And which sphere is left to learn today? It is biosphere. Let's look at it. Now, the biosphere, it contains all the planet's living things, whether it is on lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, wherever life is there, it is called biosphere. This sphere includes all the microorganisms, plants and animals of Earth. Within the biosphere, living things from ecological communities based on the physical surroundings of an area. Now, these communities are referred to as biomes. Deserts, grasslands, and tropical rainforests are three of the many types of biomes that exist within the biosphere. Now, what is biosphere? It is all of the living organisms on the earth. Okay. Now, the area of the planet where organisms live, atmosphere, whether the living things are in the atmosphere, in the layer of the air, whether they are in the geosphere or lithosphere, in the layer of rocks, or whether they are hydrosphere in the layer of water. So you understood whether the living thing, living beings are living in the air, whether they are living on the ground, or whether they are living in the water. All of them are considered to be in biosphere. Now, since life exists on ground, in the air and in the water, the biosphere overlaps all these spheres. Overlaps means as a turtle or a tortoise we have seen, it can survive on the land as well as in the water. Or the crocodile, we have seen it can come out of the water and it can stay in the water as well. So that is called overlapping. So, you understood the path of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, where the living world exists, is known as biosphere. Biosphere is one of the important spheres on Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system having biosphere. We all know that, right? We are aware that from all the planets available in the solar system, only Earth has got life. Now, biosphere includes vegetation, animals, insects, and human beings. We obtain food and many other necessary things from biosphere. So, in short, we can say that we cannot survive without biosphere. Biosphere is the base of our existence and living. Biosphere can be divided into two parts, non-living and living. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere form the non-living part, while the planets, animals and microorganisms, they are included in the living world. So biosphere is the atmosphere or the lithosphere and the hydrosphere, they all together make biosphere. The part of the earth where the plants and the animals live. Okay, that is biosphere. Biomes are different geographic regions that support life. Forests, grasslands, deserts, tundra region, etc. Okay. Now, interaction between these four spheres, that means how they interact, as we saw in the earlier clip, how they overlap each other, how they interact with each other, or how they are dependent on each other. Here we can see. So, although the four systems have their individual identities, there is important interaction between them. Environmental scientists study the effect of these events in one sphere on the other sphere. There are 10 possible types of interactions that could occur within the Earth's system. Four of these interactions are between the event of each of the spheres. See here in the figure we can see hydro, atmo, litho and bio. All of them together they are making our Earth. Now see the interdependence of spheres on each other. We can see the biosphere, it is present everywhere. Whether it is hydrosphere, we can see a fish in the water, it is considered as biosphere. Whether it is lithosphere, whatever living things live on the lithosphere, they are included in biosphere. Or even if it is air or atmosphere, any organisms living in the atmosphere, they also are considered as biosphere. So understood, biosphere is all the living beings on the earth, the life on the earth is considered as biosphere. Now let's look at the biosphere.
Biosphere is the zone of life on Earth. The biosphere extends to any place that life is found or can exist. This can be in the air, on the surface of the Earth, in our oceans, or any other location.
So we can say that biosphere is present, or the life is present in all the three different other spheres, whether it is atmosphere, lithosphere or hydrosphere.
And finally, our atmosphere is the layer of gases.
So today we studied about the biosphere and interdependence of different spheres on each other, especially the biosphere, how the life is dependent on all the three other spheres. So hope you enjoyed today's video and you understood that properly. We will meet again next time in the yet another video of the same chapter, which is world around us. Thank you everyone.